Hello viewers, welcome to Science TV Prime News with me, Ben Wirangai, and my sign language interpreter doing the voicing, Irene Chebiwot. Health Cabinet Secretary Aden Duale has assured Kenyans facing hunger across 15 counties that the government is making every effort to salvage the situation. CS Duale further said that the government has set aside 7 billion shillings following cabinet approval, which will be used to purchase and distribute food and water in drought-stricken areas of the country. CS Duale urged county governments to contribute to these efforts to provide relief to those affected.
And I have seen my colleague, the minister in charge, and the PSS in charge, going around the country to make sure that government, national government intervention, we will upscale it.
Kirinyaga County Governor Anne Waiguru has laid the foundation stone for the construction of a maternity wing at Mutithi Hospital. A strategic partnership between the Kirinyaga County government and the M-Pesa Foundation. According to Governor Waiguru, the project will transform healthcare, especially maternal and child health, within Mwea constituency.
The Safaricom's M-Pesa Foundation, who have come to support Kirinyaga County, and we're very grateful. Amongst the projects they have chosen to support in the country is our Mutithi Health Center, and they're building a maternity which is 50-bed capacity.
This facility that we are groundbreaking today is going to be the tune of 62 million shillings, and it's going to be a very comprehensive health facility for women. It's going to support both neonatal, prenatal, births, and we even have put in a center so that we have a theater so that all those things can be taken care of.
We are saying thank you. Na kama itaisha haraka, the better.
The Mandera County government has launched a universal education program to pay school fees for students within the county. An initiative intended to improve education standards in the region. Under the program, secondary school and university students are set to benefit significantly after the government allocated approximately 450 million shillings to the fund.
60 million will be allocated to support approximately 27,000 targeted vulnerable students in tertiary education across all the 30 wards, while the remaining funds will benefit 1,120 learners at Mandera Teachers Training College and 21,033 secondary school students across all our secondary schools.
And we students, it was really our time, and this was actually our 5 years that we were supposed to be helped, because we look at the parents at this county. For example, at this particular time when there is a lot of drought in the county, when even getting the shelter and the basic needs are so heavy for them.
Pia tunashukuru gavana wetu kwa kutuletea hizi bazari. Mbeleni tulikuwa tulikuwa shida kulipa school fees, but sasa mimi kwanza niko form 3 Kwanza sasa hii ni alhamdulillah karibu kumaliza yote, governor amenilipia, nashukuru sana. Nasema governor pia aendelee na the same spirit.
Kenya reaffirmed its commitment to strengthening diplomatic, cultural and economic ties with China, with a focus on boosting tourism and fostering mutual understanding. Speaking during the Chinese New Year Gala in Nairobi, the Principal Secretary for Tourism, John Oltua, said, "Such events unite countries not only in exchange of culture, but also promotion of cross-border tourism."
Badiliki na dance, tunaenda mashule, harusi, ukiwa na graduation bado tunaenda. Na kufungua mashops za China juu wanaamini hii kitu hii lion dance wakifanya kusema kwa shop yao ina attract customers na blessing na good luck.
Only Africa have lion. This is very fit Africa the country. This is F because a lion is a Simba. This culture is really fit here.
My son told me about it. He's studying Chinese at school and he's very keen and curious about learning the culture of China, learning their food, their...
Into our final news item, more than 300 police chaplains from different formations have completed specialized training aimed at equipping them to mentor, counsel and support officers with mental health and family-related challenges. The 3-day training held in Limuru brought together chaplains as part of efforts to strengthen officer well-being, performance, and service delivery.
Find that somebody can be charged mentally in view of what he has undergone. The government has trained, it has recruited a number of counsellors who have been distributed to even to the county levels. But you find that that counsellor could be one against a very big number. So we cannot say that they're enough, but the government has tried. I'm calling upon our officers not to remain behind with their programs, but to visit our counsellors, to visit even their commanders. Let's speak out the issues that they have so that they can be assisted.
Tuna upungufu wa machaplains, wale wanaoeneza injili, wanaoongea na officers wetu kwa ajili ya amani, lakini kwa hivi majuzi kuna mambo mengi yanayoendelea kuinua officers. Tumeongezewa machaplains, so kazi yetu pia itapungua.
We're here to encourage them and help them and lift them up and help them when they leave here to be better suited for public service, and we're encouraged by what we've seen so far.
That's all we had for you, our viewers. Thank you for joining us for the Prime News. You've been with me, Ben Wirangai. Please follow us on all our social media platforms by liking, commenting, and also sharing. That is Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and YouTube. Have a good night and goodbye.